Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands. If that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and let's get started in today's video. Whew, you guys, it is hot, smoldering swamp, disgusting in southern Illinois today. It's gonna be like 100 degrees. Feels like 100 degrees because I can't have fans on while I'm filming. So let's use the Alter Ego Sakura palette. I think that's how you pronounce it, but if I'm wrong, I'm so sorry. Here's the inside. It's just very light, beautiful, airy, and we need some light, beautiful air right now because it's hot and nasty. Yeah, it is just, ugh, gross, not cool. So, I don't know. Let's maybe mix like a blue, green, and a pink or something. Let's just see where the day takes us and if I can do this without completely like passing out because it's really hot. Let's start with the shade Pale. This is just a really pretty like greenish blue shade. Okay, you guys. And again, I'm just gonna do the same look on both eyes because I just need something to try and pick my spirits up. It's a really bad day for me. It's Father's Day. If you know, my dad passed away a little over 2.5 years ago, and things have just gotten worse and been horrible since. So yeah, I just needed a day to just kind of breathe and just, yeah, because there's just a lot of horrible things going on right now. So yeah, just trying to make it through, trying to survive. It's not easy. Life has never been easy, but yeah, it's getting to the point where it's not bearable anymore. So I just am like trying to do something to make myself feel just a little better. Put on a little makeup, you know, feel like a human for a few seconds. Now I'm gonna go with the shade Sky, which is just a little deeper than Pale. Oh, you guys, I literally think I'm gonna black out. Like, it is so effing hot. I just am like not, this is not glow, this is sweat. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the next couple months because it is going to be hot and nasty like this until like October, November. So yes, summer is here. She is fierce and just evil and unbearable. Oh, God. This is so bad, you guys. I hate this. Hate living here. Hate the heat. I cannot. I just can't. I can't. Like, it's not even that I don't want to. My body just has like an extreme intolerance to heat. Like, if you all remember Warped Tour, showing my age here, I literally remember, man, I think it was my second or third Warped Tour. It was definitely the last. I just remember, like, because I was like drinking fluids, but I was just like, I don't know, sweating so just profusely, and just, I remember like sitting down on the ground, like going in and out of consciousness, and just like literally just trying to like keep myself like awake, and it was absolutely terrifying. Yeah, and then like right after that, because I think my nephew was with me and he's like, hey, I'm gonna go like over to this booth or whatever, get a shirt or whatever. And I'm like, okay. So like, I'm just gonna sit down. And like, when he got back, I was like, dude, like, I have to go. Cause there was like nowhere to go to really get out of the heat. You know, you were just out in it. And in the Midwest, like, the heat is not forgiving. Like, it's brutal. And yeah, I was like, we gotta go. I'm like, I am not okay right now. Like, I literally think I'm going to die. Let's go with the shade Cherry. But yeah, that was just, it's horrible. And I've just not ever been a fan of the heat, but the older I get, like, the harder it gets on me. Okay, this is such a pretty shade. But yeah, I can't even, like, once I get hot, my body just doesn't cool off. So even like going outside for a little bit, I can't do it. I really can't. My body just does not handle heat well at all. Like, I woke up with a horrible migraine, just feeling just disgusting. If you guys can hear anything weird, my husband's taking a shower, so that's just the shower running upstairs. Oh man, I am just feeling so sweaty and gross right now. You guys, I'm sorry. I know that this is not what you want to hear, but I had to keep it real, you know? I'm like nervous about trying to do my bangs because I don't know how they're going to react to just the extreme heat, because like before I had bangs, like when I used to straighten my hair, I haven't done it for almost 2 years. My hair wouldn't even really straighten when it was so hot and humid, and it would just start curling up. So I'm like, oh man, my bangs might be looking real rough here. A little nervous about that, just a little bit. All right, so for me, and I just feel like my makeup is literally melting off my face. Oh, you guys, this is just disgusting. I'm so sorry. Think if you're watching this, like, you deserve a present or something, like a cookie. I don't know. All right, now for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna go with the shade Petal. Oh, you guys, I'm just so gross right now and sweaty and like, ugh. I hate it. Hate it, hate it, hate it. Like, even, like, we went and picked up groceries, and even just, like, carrying them in the house, like, last night, just outside for a couple minutes, I was just like, I hate this. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the shade Prime, because this is just such a beautiful shimmer. I'm not sure how well you can or cannot see that. Alright. So, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. It's pretty, it's just I feel like everything is melting off my face because it's so gross and hot. So I'm gonna go do my mascara. May or may not come back with the bangs done because my husband's still in the bathroom, so I can't even get in there where my hair straightener is, because I kind of flat iron and flip them a little bit and all the stuff. But let me try and attempt to put on mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so Lippy is the Revolution, or Makeup Revolution IRL Whipped Lip Cream. And this is the shade Caramel Syrup. These are freaking phenomenal. Like, some of the best lippies I've tried. I would describe it as like a very soft matte. It blurs the lines on your lips. It wears beautifully. It's comfortable. It's just, I need to order more of these, because one of the best lippies that I have tried in a long time. So if you haven't, pick some of those up, because they really are that good. I feel like I need a little extra shimmer, so let's take the Glam Light California Fresh highlighter, and let's just, I don't know, let's go into the shade Chillin' Out, which is this one right here. I just feel like I just need a little something, you know, so let's just throw that on. Add a little extra sparkle. That's pretty. That is pretty. Even though I'm already sweaty and gross, like, at least I can sparkle while being sweaty and gross, you know? Alright, I think that is it. I say that as I keep going. I can't get enough sparkle shimmer. Okay. Don't know where my box is. I'm just gonna sit that down. Use a little Rick and Morty setting spray. Oh, amazing. All right, you guys, that is it. Just thank you so much for watching this video. If you struggled through me, if you were like sweating your rear off and it's nasty, like, I'm so sorry. I totally feel you, because that is what I am dealing with now. But yeah, I just thank you so much for watching this video. Comment down below what your favorite Alter Ego palette is, if you tried them. Also, Cosmic Brushes, did y'all see the 2 palettes that they're going to be releasing? They are freaking beautiful. I did pick up the new Cosmetics palette as well, so I'm hoping to get the Cosmic Brushes palettes if I can. Just depends on financial things, but yeah, you guys, just thank you so much for love and support that you show me in this channel. I think we're like in the 620s now subscriber count wise, which is just absolutely freaking crazy and amazing. And I just hope you have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. Stop. You guys, I am like so out of sorts. The heat is getting to me. Remember that you're beautiful, loved, and amazing, and just all those good things. Stay cool, drink some water, try and stay hydrated. Yeah, it's gonna be a brutal summer, I can already tell. But again, you're beautiful, amazing, you are loved, and have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.